My name is my name is Patrick, and I produce adventure family video content online. And I was on a fishing adventure with my family recently, filming with a GoPro, and it was a blast. We were having such a good time. We were halfway through the adventure, and my GoPro just pooped out. The SD card had an error or something, and I wasn't able to access the files later on when I got back home. And this is the first time this ever happened to me. I was very upset, and I was really confused about what to do. And after doing a lot of research online, it seemed as though Secure Data Recovery, the company, had pretty good reviews. And after talking with a guy named Elliot there, I became convinced that this is the right path for me to take to get my files recovered. So sent it in fairly quickly. They got back with me and let me know how much it would cost and what it all would entail, and that they could recover my files. I was still skeptical, and anyway, so I went ahead and said, okay, let's do this. And within about a week and a half, they had my files back and ready to go. And they sent it to me in the mail. I checked it. All the video files look great. And I was so happy and so relieved. And the price was, as a professional, the price was very fair. I was really happy with the price. And so anyways, very happy with Secure Data Recovery. Thank you so much for recovering my family videos. It's not just a business here, it's a family deal that we do, and it's really great to be able to have confidence that even if something like this goes wrong, I have a company that a source that I could use to recover this data. So thank you very much for getting this back. Really appreciate it.